Yeah.
All right, we have got double hook up here, and we're thinking these South African boys are going to catch their first reds.
We'll find out what it is.
Double hook up.
Yeah,
let them take that drag, baby. All right, we're here on the Choctawhatchee River. Very cold morning. Water temperature is 52 degrees, but these redfish,
they fired up, man. They fired up. Oh.
There we go. Is that your first redfish?
Yeah, that's my first redfish.
Awesome.
Oh, they're so strong, man. Wow. Is that also
Dude, I can't get this thing up.
Take it easy, because you've got very thin hooks on there.
Yeah. He's just sitting on this current. Anytime I try to get him up.
He's not ready yet.
No. Oh, listen to that drag.
Jeez, these things are clever. Turn like a crocodile.
Oh, that's a beauty.
My first redfish.
Awesome. One spot, which is a classic. Awesome. That is beauty.
Oh,
that's a beauty, and we got Calvin. Can't even get his in.
No. Downstream.
Beautiful release.
Oh.
Cold water release. They're loaded in here.
He's going with the current. Look at this rod bending.
I had that rod built especially for these fish. That's a $27 reel you're using.
Well, it's working just fine.
It is. It's an awesome reel.
Yeah. I haven't even seen this guy yet. I don't want to rush it in, but...
Now you can start bringing them in.
How strong are these hooks on here?
Not very strong.
Well...
There he is.
Oh, that's a donkey. That's a nice one. Bring him up, baby.
Tasted good.
Look at that. Oh, he ain't happy either. The king of the king. He ain't happy.
Grab his tail.
Yeah.
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah. That's a nice one.
Yeah.
Pliers. That's a beauty.
There we go, right?
That's a beauty. All right, hold that sucker up. We're not even ready with the camera, but we're catching them. That's nice. That is the largemouth, isn't it? It's the golden largemouth.
There we go.
Beautiful. Look how beautiful that is. That is absolutely gorgeous.
That's awesome.
All right, guys, remember, you're just one cast away. Hey, welcome. This is Sig Taylor with Fish Out Loud. I'm fishing with a couple friends of mine from South Africa, and they caught their first redfish today. And even though we've got all the equipment, the graphs that we need, it doesn't really matter. These fish set up. We're middle December here, and these fish set up. You can take a look over there. We got the main river coming like this. We got a creek coming out, and it creates a seam. And this place is absolutely loaded with fish, and we probably caught, I don't know, 8 to 12 real nice redfish on the spot. And the crazy thing is we're throwing a chatterbait. That's what they're getting most of them on. And I caught mine on a spinnerbait very first. Stay tuned. But really, it doesn't matter what kind of baits you use. If you want to throw shrimp, live bait, just let it, throw it upstream, let it work its way down, and you're going to get bit yourself too. So remember, guys, stay tuned to the end, and remember, you're just one cast away. Got a big one?
It feels much bigger.
You need a big one. You caught the last two little ones.
Taking me into something.
Real. Nothing like catching big old reds on a bass rod.
Demo.
I'm putting 20-pound fluoro on your cookie.
I wouldn't even worry about it.
It's 15. I don't want to lose my chatterbait. I'm so grazed.
I don't want to lose my chatterbait. I don't want to lose my chatterbait.
I'm so grazed up there. It's not even funny.
Just think what a freaking...
Grab the scissors.
What does a 20-pound one feel like?
That thing was big that I just had on.
Yeah.
And it was swimming effortlessly.
Yes.
Oh.
Put this thing in the first cast.
You got that deep? You guys got the... Well...
I'm going straight braid.
Yeah.
Because I don't want... I felt him going to the tree or something down there.
You're not going to mess around, are you? You ain't messing around, baby. Yeah, so... you can get back in the front, Calvin. The reason I had you go back there is because...
Yeah, because it's better with the GoPro.
Yeah.
Thank you, Mr. Hookstick.
There's a whole school of them down there. And that's what's so fun this time of year when you find them like this. This is where I got to take my kids in the neighborhood out to catch these fish, you know, because they don't know this stuff. They get hooked into one of those, I think.
Yeah.
Got them?
Oh,
Did you get them?
Yeah. I got bread, boy. I ain't playing around. Oh. He's a big head shake. He's not as big as the other one. The other one was fucking massive. Would they eat that swim bait, Sid?
Absolutely.
If I want a big one. So what I'll do is rig up an exposed hook one. Come to the front, see?
No, I want you videoing. I want to get video of you. I want videos. I want videos, boys. I want videos. A lot of good current coming out of this creek here.
yeah.
Oh.
That's a good one. Can you help?
There's the right behind Gary.
Took me into something.
Actually, that's the one Calvin caught, I think. It's got one spot on it.
Oh wow. That was just too much fun.
On a chatterbait. Go figure. Just one cast away. Hooked up again. Let me guess, they're on the other side of the seam. Go walk to the front and get it a little better. No, to the front. Calvin, come on back here, baby.
Pick one of those there, right?
Yeah.
No, yeah, that's fine. Just let it cam there. You're fine, don't worry about it.
It's not a big one. Oh shit.
It is a big one.
Nice one.
Guess he's getting braver and braver.
I can feel him chasing my line. Yeah, baby.
Redfish.
Oh, lovely. This Freeport thing is so much fun, guys. If you want to catch some beautiful fish, you've got to come out here and fish the Choctawhatchee River. And just remember, you're always one cast away.
Yeah.
He took it right off the bottom.
That's what happened with mine.
Just barely lifting it.
Oh, Mr. Taylor.
We got drag. We've got drag.
Yes, ma'am. Wee-haw!
Whoa.
We got screeching going on here. We got screeching going on.
Mind the trolling motor. There we go. Coming.
We got some screeching going on.
Uh-oh. Dangerous.
Let's see.
Don't let the line rub on the bottom. Trolling motor.
He didn't like the other side. He likes this side better.
How strong?
As soon as they want it.
Whoa, that's a nice one. What do we got here? A nice one.
That's a nice fish. Oh, he's hooked in the...
He's got some.
He's hooked where he's supposed to be hooked at, in the mouth.
Ew, look at those boils on that tail. Yeah, double. We got a double, people.
Just when we thought the bite was slowing down, guess what happens? They start performing.
Can I hit pop-up?
Yes. Oh, I'm fully off?
Yeah.
Oh my lord. How did we get off so fast? Look at, they're all over here. All right. Look at this. Nice one. All right. Thanks to the professional South African that helped me. Boom. Nice red here. We have gotten way off. We got off of our spot lock.
Still got him, Carl.
Yeah.
Calvin's
In the
hooked
middle
up.
of nowhere.
It was coming off the back there. I don't
There
know.
we go. Look at this. Ooh. Nice one. All right, we're going to let him go. Remember, just one cast away. All right. Next. Calvin, you're doing such a good job. You should become a guide.
Just real up my snap, sorry. That thing around your wrist, Jason. Put it around your wrist. Open it.
What is that? Another redfish.
Another redfish.
Where did you find? Cheddar? This fish right in front of me.
Remember, guys, it's just one cast away.
There we go.
See you later, Mr. Redfish. Thanks for biting.
Kablunk.
Kablunk.
We're here with Mr. Jason Harrison from Johannesburg, South Africa. And he's about ready to catch his first bull. We're fishing the Choctawhatchee River here, and we're not too far up from the bay. And what we're doing is we're finding seams. Guys, this is no brainer. You don't really need, we have our equipment on, but we're just looking for the river and a creek to come and meet. And these fish just stack up here this time of year. We're right in the middle of December, so it's a little nippy. Sun's coming out, feeling good. Calvin's about ready to get them.
Oh,
There we go. That's a nice
he has
bull.
a scoff.
He's got a swallow. We're actually using chatterbaits. We are bass fishing. Oh, and that's a beautiful one too. There you go. There's a bull. We are running of the bulls, baby. That is a gorgeous fish. We're going to take some pictures here, and then we're going to let them go. We're going to weigh them. So we'll be right back.
Oh, lovely.
They love those chatterbaits, huh?
This is a big fish.
Yeah, he's big. He's big.
Him?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
How's it go?
Get that tippy thing
Yeah.
in. Oh.
You got it? Was that it?
Yes, boy.
That's a bull. A bull red. They've shown up. The bulls are here. We're here with Mr. Jason Harrison from Johannesburg, South Africa. And he's about ready to catch his first bull. We're fishing the Choctawhatchee River here, and we're not too far up from the bay. And what we're doing is we're finding seams. Guys, this is no brainer. You don't really need, we have our equipment on, but we're just looking for the river and a creek to come and meet. And these fish just stack up here this time of year. We're right in the middle of December, so it's a little nippy. Sun's coming out, feeling good. Calvin's about ready to get them.
Oh,
There you go. That's a
and he
nice
has
one.
it scoffed.
He's got swallowed. We're actually using chatterbaits. We are bass fishing. Oh, and that's a beautiful one too. There you go. There's a bull. We are running of the bulls, baby. That is a gorgeous fish. We're going to take some pictures here, and then we're going to let them go. We're going to weigh them. So we'll be right back.
Oh, lovely.
Fantastic.
I still get excited.
Yes. Yes.
Fire. Not a fire.
Oh, those things are ugly. Leave my spinnerbait alone. Leave my spinnerbait alone. God, they're ugly.
Check that out, boss.
One cast away. One pickerel cast away. When you get a school of redfish that moves up into the river to crunch and munch whatever they get in front of them, you take advantage of that. We were out just kind of pre-fishing, having some fun for some bass, and I remember looking down on my graph and just seeing it get all lit up, and I said, guys, get ready. Nothing like catching your first redfish on a chatterbait, okay? We caught them on spinner baits. We caught them on lipless. My favorite is the Nomad design. Swim Trex 3/4 ounce thread fin shad. Guys, look at some of my previous videos. That thing get munched more than anything. So I hope you enjoyed the video. You get a chance when the timing's right this winter to get out and fish the, Choctawhatchee Bay / kind of delta up into the creek / river arms. Do it, guys. All right, remember, you're always just one cast away.